Hi there, this is Taylor and I'll be showing you how to book your next amazing vacay at one of SA's top resorts using your Ekko shares. Once you've logged into the website, click the Book Now button on the top right. Select SA Resorts using shares and pick one of the resorts that you would like to visit. Once you've selected, click Book Now. Select the number of units you'll need for your booking and add to your booking. Click Continue. Continue again and add in the details of your primary guest. Scroll down and proceed to checkout. Here you will see the shares that will be used and your booking will be made.